Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jerry. Earlier today was raining, but now it stopped. Hopefully, it doesn't rain no more, so I can do stuff outside the house. I want to ask you guys some stuff. Like a bunch of us scrappers, we want to meet and scrap together, and that can be fun. But the only problem is that we live so far from each other, so that's not gonna be possible. I wish that there was they pass a car. I wish that there was scrappers around my area here in Dallas, Texas, but I haven't come across anybody. But I have talked to a few people on YouTube that they from the area in Dallas, Texas, but we haven't met yet. Um, there's this fisherman that he has a boat, and he said that we can meet. Because I asked him, I said, "Hey, we let's go fishing one day." He's like, "Yeah," but his schedule's a little bit busy. Plus all the rain, so we can't go fishing. So I was talking about in April or May, something like that, so we can hang out and have a blast. I don't know too much about fishing, but I want to learn. I have fished a few times here and there, but nothing major. And I think that's a great idea. Meeting YouTubers and like for a coffee or fishing or other activities. I know some of y'all have done it before and y'all had a blast. So it can be fun, like meeting for coffee and exchanging ideas about YouTube. Who knows, Uh, this is a quick video. I just want to ask you what you think about the topic, about if you will meet another YouTuber, or what's your thoughts on that. I think, since I have been talking to a lot of people, you get to know them in YouTube, how they comment and all that stuff. So you get a feeling on how they are, their personality and stuff like that. So let me know what you think, if it's a good idea or a bad idea. I just want to hear your comments. Me personally, like I said, I want to meet some YouTubers, get ideas from y'all, exchange whatever I have to say. Maybe I can have some good ideas for your channels. Who knows? Um, just let me know.